Good morning everybody and welcome back for some more March Madness 2025. Today we are doing the side bend and I think this is day 26, might be day 25. We have done so well. Are you keeping up with trying the moves? I hope you are. Let me get my glasses off. Now you'll see it's the first time you'll ever see me in a crop top. It is a bit of a heat wave here in Western Australia right now. So I'm only here to do this move today. So there's no point putting the aircon on, it's not going to cool in time. So you are blessed with seeing me trying to keep cool. Okay, so side bend. We are going to have our knees bent. We have our bottom foot at the front. The top foot is going just behind. So we are like this, okay? Right, knees are bent. Have a little bit of space. You're going to have a good A-frame here. All side lying has a good A-frame. So we're going to push into our feet and we're going to come up. Position yourself so you're feeling nice and long and our arm comes over. You can come down and we push into like a side plank and come over. Now this can be done modified. So you're on your elbow and you push up and come over. Now, I'll talk you through, of course I have to do the other side. So, I'm gonna start on the down. Right, what we wanna make sure is as we're going up, is our shoulders are aligned, everything is nice and tight. I'll just give my body a bit more space. So when we come forward, we're not gonna come forward like this or to the back like that. We're gonna stay like a pencil, all right? Push into our feet to come up and straight over. Staying front on. Now I did two of each. Let me even up. And then got that good A-frame coming up and over. And over. And that is Pilates Side Bend. And thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again tomorrow.